Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We are back in our normal space. We had a blast at the ASD Market Week. Want to remind you of our promo code ASD20. It's the last day for the sale, but we're going to talk about a few of the things that happened at ASD, give you a total recap now that we're back in a regular space. Don't worry, I know you've been missing the unboxings. You will get to see one tomorrow. And so let's go ahead and talk about what happened at ASD. We had such a great time at ASD Market Week, and we hit the ground running this time. The first time we went to ASD Market Week, it was kind of a fact-finding mission, which when we got to go out to eat with two other YouTubers, KT Treasures and Averys All In. I'm going to put their links down in the description below. They're also YouTubers, but they're kind of at the beginning stages of their YouTube channel, but super fun and interesting, fantastic people. They hit the ASD Market Week like we did the first time, what was that, 3 or 4 years ago. And we're just overwhelmed by all this stuff. We hit the ground running, ready to purchase, ready to buy, knowing what questions to ask, and basically within probably the first 20 minutes had made our first $1,000 purchase, and that was from handbags and purses. And so we've got a new supplier there. Our old handbag and purse supplier had limited supplies. They had issues with the supply line. And so all of the wholesalers and closeout people that we talked to at ASD Market Week, we definitely asked the question, how is it for you getting inventory? Are you able to get it? Some people said, hey, this is all we have, and we can't get this stuff anymore, because of the supply chain. And then other people are like, hey, we have our supply chain figured out. We have people in that country, or we have people that send direct to us, and we have no issues with supply. And so that was actually another question, because of COVID and stuff like that we had to ask, but it was good to ask that question. So don't forget about our ASD20 promo code. So ASD20, it should be flashing across the bottom of the screen. Throw that in when you go to checkout, put it in the promo code line and hit apply. You'll get 20% off everything in the store. Everything in the store includes everything that is actually behind me right here. And so we've got things like soaps and vitamins and gummies to hair products to magic toys to shock pens to Febreze car things to kind of solo cups. You name it. It is on sale on the store. And that also includes all of my reseller helps as well. So 20% across the board off anything. And the reason we're doing that is because we've got so much product that is going to be coming in the next 1 to 3 weeks. So some of the stuff is going to get shipped today. And so we will be seeing it in just a few days. We still have 4 pallets in the warehouse right now left to unbox, so you'll be seeing those unboxings in the very near future. Starting tomorrow, we'll be doing some unboxings, so those of you who've been missing it, it's coming back. Don't worry, we didn't forget your love for unboxing. But in the process of being at ASD Market Week, we ordered from 12 total different companies now. I think we ordered from 10 there, and then we actually got online and ordered from a couple more. What were some of the companies that we ordered from? We ordered from Closeout. Those are going to be the things that are going to be unique to the store, and we'll probably have them in stock for the next maybe 3 to 6 months, but then after 6 months we won't be able to get that item anymore, and so that will keep our inventory new and fresh, because the closeout places always get new and fresh inventory that they'll have just kind of that same time frame, 1 to 6 months, and that's really cool. So we usually try to buy a bunch of that at once and then keep it on the shelf and make it available to you. But those are going to be our best deals, is from our closeout places, because we get them at the best prices. We also bought some food. We are now a Jelly Belly seller, and so we have access to all of the Jelly Belly flavors, as well as all of their fun product lines. They have like a whole Harry Potter line. They've got gummy dinosaurs, gummy alligators. We got some cool gift box things that are coming. Like if you guys don't want to buy the individual bags of Jelly Bellies, we have cool like plastic containers of 20 different flavors, fun things like that. So we have some really, I think we also bought some of the Jelly Belly chocolates as well. There's some unique flavored chocolates. You guys love the Hammond's chocolates, and so we was like, all right, we're gonna try the chocolates. So Jelly Bellies is one. And then I think we do, when we got back, we ordered some other types of food. I think cotton candy will be one that would be on our shelf now. And then, of course, I told you about the purses that we ordered. We did actually, per your suggestion, order those fun animal purses or shaped purses. So we have some like the cat with the astronaut we ordered. Paul, what were some of the other ones?
Little dogs.
Little
got
dogs.
that. It's a guitar.
Yep.
Various of them.
They're kind of crossbody purses that are shaped just like those animals, and so they're really fun. We also got a lot of home decor, little trinkets, fun functional items that you can use in your kitchen and home. Just all sorts of fun things. We've got some bedding and tapestry type things like quilts and stuff like that. And so we did buy some of those at some really neat prices and good prices. Oh, you guys love those massively huge puzzles? So we bought regular size puzzles, and we bought all the way from 100-piece puzzles up to 1,000-piece puzzles. I don't think we got any that were over 1,000, but we did get those huge poster-style puzzles, and we actually are going to get a display of them. And so I remember when we were going through the live stream, and I was standing next to one of those puzzles, I was like, hey, they even have dinosaurs that are this big. And you guys, some of you were like, yes, get dinosaurs. Some of you were like, no, don't do dinosaurs. So we got a variety. So we did get all of the dinosaurs. I think there were 3 different kinds. And those are actually 100-piece puzzles. So they're made to be for a kid, but they're like literally poster size.
Yep.
And then the other ones we got some flower ones. We got some really pretty like hummingbird ones. We've got some bear and wolf ones, because I know a lot of you like the wolves. And so we have a variety of different animals that you'll be able to put together with background scenery, and then some of them are just headshots. But they're all those huge poster size ones. And we got all the way from like I think 750-piece ones down to like 300 in those like other ones that aren't dinosaur ones. The dinosaur ones were all kid ones, so they're all 100-piece. And I think we might have gotten like a bear or something too in the kids version. All right, so we got a bunch of those puzzles, as well as regular traditional 150 to 1,000-piece picturesque puzzles. So really fun ones. All right, and then we got some toys. So from our closeout places, we got some of our toy kits, our craft kits, individual toys that you guys like the mesh squish balls, things like that. Things that you see us open from some of our Diamond Visions. We got some different styles of toys like that, just because they were unique. We got this one toy that was super fun. It comes in a box and it has a red punching bag on the end. It's kind of a gag gift, and it says Snore Stopper. And so it's like on this pole where you can do a little punching bag to your partner, I guess. And so it's a really fun one. So we just got all over the map when it comes to toys and fun things that you can buy on the store. Here's something really cool. So we know on Monday and Tuesday you make all your orders, because that's when the shelves are totally full. When you go to ASD Market Week, there are some people that do not want to bring all of their stuff back, and so they sell their entire booth. And so somebody buys the entire booth, and then so sometimes on Wednesday, they're tearing that booth down and you can't even look at the product anymore. But one thing we did not realize when we went there on Wednesday, because we had already pretty much made all our purchases by Wednesday, but we're like, let's go back over and just kind of check out some of the places. Maybe we want to order from them later, or get a card or something. We watched this one booth, and I think you saw it on the live stream, where there were tons of sunglasses people. We did end up buying a bunch of sunglasses from there. Basically, they didn't want to pack it up. And so, yes, we were disappointed that the cash and carry was mostly jewelry and a few other really high expensive things. But when we went back, they were selling those sunglasses for like $2.50 a piece. And I break sunglasses daily, I feel like. At least once a week I have to buy a new pair of sunglasses because I break them. And so I went and picked up a bunch of sunglasses. We got some crazy ones for the girls that look like big Elvis glasses and stuff like that. And then we went to another booth, and they were selling they do what's called a sample sale. And so they're selling all their samples on Wednesday. They're not in the cash and carry section. They're in the regular section, but they're doing sample sales. And so they were selling tons of makeup. And so we found such a good deal. Literally, like, the lady's like, $2 the whole table. Not the whole table for $2, but each item on this whole table was $2 a piece. And so we were like, okay, how do we get it back? We had to kind of contemplate how to get it back to our location here. And so she's like, well, I got a box. We can just box it up. And so that's what we did. We started just picking a bunch of stuff, paying $2 a piece. Some of it was even $1 a piece. She put it all in a box for us. She taped it all up for us. We literally walked across the street. We threw the sunglasses in there too. We walked across the street and we FedExed it to ourselves. So that actually will arrive tomorrow. And we will have it on the next fire sale. So we've got some makeup. We'll be able to make some makeup bundles. Things like that.
It did cost $70 to ship it to us.
It did cost $70 to ship it. So listen, Hooked on Pickin shipping prices I have found are a very good deal because I do not often use FedEx, and now I know why. I use UPS and regular mail, but it did cost us $70 to ship it, but we got so many items that really it didn't add too much cost to the
Also cost us $20 for a handling fee. Like, how much you got to handle it here?
Yeah, I'm not sure what that's all about.
Yeah.
So I think next time we might, like, the one thing she kept asking us is, do we have a FedEx account set up? So maybe that we can avoid the $20 handling fee. So it's actually, $70 total with the handling fee. So I think maybe we'll set up an account with FedEx and maybe we won't have to deal with the handling fee after that. So we'll look into that. So we did actually ship it back to ourselves. Next time, maybe we'll take an extra suitcase or something and just bring it back with us. But that would have cost about the same price.
Yeah.
So then after that, we bought all that. We did get to have dinner with, like I said at the very beginning, Averys All In. Links down in the description to their YouTube channel. It's a really fun couple that we met, Lisa and Roy. And then we also met KT Treasures, and KT Treasures actually loves to meet other YouTubers that do what we do. So they're a fun channel to follow if you want to start to kind of branch out to other YouTubers that do similar things, not exactly the same, but kind of along the same lines of that treasure hunt of unboxing. They do, storage units and unboxings and things like that. So KT Treasures is Christy and Tim. KT, get it?
That was a lot of fun.
It was
a lot of fun.
We sat there from 5 o'clock basically until 9, and the only reason we cut our conversation short was we had to get on a plane. I think we could have talked all night, and they learned from us. We learned some cool things from them.
Oh yeah.
And so we're gonna try to implement some of those fun things to just streamline our process. So it was really, really fun. But I know that one of those couples does not have quite the 1,000 mark on their YouTube channel. And so for both of them, please click on the links below, subscribe to their channel, check them out for a while, just get them over that kind of $1,000 hump, bump that you have to get over for the YouTube channel.
Yeah, it seems like once you get past 1,000 subscribers,
it's easy to build a base.
It's easier to build, just like Heather said, more of a base of followers.
Yeah. So I think you'll love them because they're fantastic people. Like I said, we sat and talked to them for 4 hours, and they're our kind of people. Yep. I think you guys would just absolutely love Averys All In and KT Treasures. Also, thank you so much for everybody who did purchase while we were gone. I'm actually going to be shipping all of that today. We're going to do our best to get everything out today because I'm actually hopping in the car later today and going on a retreat with me and my daughters. So a mother-daughter retreat. Yes, I know it's crazy, bad timing with scheduling all of this in the same week, but you got to live life, and that's why we do this business, right? All right, so thank you so much for the purchases. We're going to be feverishly packaging today, and so you'll probably see notifications for all your shipping information coming through for those of you who have bought. Today is the last day of the 20% off sale. ASD 20 is what you put in the promo code in your cart. You'll get 20% off everything that you buy on the store. And so today is the last day, so buy up the store, clear the shelves for us because we got a lot of incoming stuff and we need some empty shelves and some empty spaces for us to be able to have places to put it when we unbox it. So we have 4 pallets currently right now. We have a bunch of candy that's going to go on the store, and like I said, all the stuff is going to be coming in 1 to 3 weeks. So we just wanted to give you an update back in our normal space under the Hooked on Pickin sign. So go to hookedonpickin.com, use that ASD20 code, and you'll find a lot of amazing things. And wanted to give you an update about what happened, what kind of stuff we bought, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory, how to create my first listing, how to sell my items, and then of course I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.